Ramogi koro wadonje weche mag tuke ma bende wang'iyo godo mago mag jiwo tuke pacho ka. Tuke mag Shabiki Champions Cup mosergi Shabiki.com dhi timore Muthaiga Golf Club ma higa mar adek moluwore ma tukego ibago Nairobi ka jaloch dhi wuok kod $1,000,000. Kopogore kod mano, jotugo duto idhi mi thuolo mar donjo e jackpot ma gin bende ng'ato ka ng'ato nyalo yudo mich mar $1,000,000.
Muthaiga is not just a club, it's a legacy, and we don't take it lightly. The chance to stand alongside it and to help put this tournament in front of more Kenyans than ever before. So here's our promise. We'll bring our energy, you bring your excitement, your excellence, and together we give the Patrons Cup the stage it deserves.
Our format is Ryder Cup. So 3 days, 5 games, and on Sunday, we crown a winner. So as captain, I invite you all to Muthaiga. We have a village, lots of food, lots of fun, and lots of good golf.